Welcome back. In this chapter, we're talking about something we all want for our children: independence. Independence isn't just about doing things alone. It's about confidence, responsibility, and resilience. It's about a child believing, I can do this. In school, independent children can manage their belongings, follow routines, and solve small problems without constant help. They are organized, more able to do things for themselves. For this reason, children are more able to focus on learning, and they feel capable and secure. So what does independence look like in young children? It's things like dressing themselves, using the toilet independently, cleaning up after play, asking for help when they need it, making choices and accepting the outcome. Here's how you can encourage independence at home. Let them choose their clothes, even if the outfit is mismatched. Give them a simple chore, like feeding a pet or watering a plant. Let them carry their own backpack and coat. Encourage them to speak to adults directly, like ordering at a restaurant or asking a teacher a question. Allow them to experience natural consequences, like forgetting their toy or snack. It might take longer for your child to zip their coat or pour their own cereal, but every time they try, they're building confidence. And every time you step back, you're showing them you believe in their ability. Let them experience frustration. When kids struggle with something, maybe a puzzle or sharing a toy, resist the urge to jump in and fix it. It's okay if they struggle. That's part of learning. Give them space to work through the challenge and support them as they figure things out. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Build communication skills. Talk to your child often, using rich adult language. Skip the baby talk. Describe what you are doing, explain your thinking, and invite them to share theirs. When you read together, pause to ask, what do you think will happen next? Or, how do you think the character feels right now? Let them retell the story, or invent their own endings. And don't forget the basics of social life: waiting their turn, listening when others are talking, and using words to resolve conflicts. These small daily moments are what shape a child's emotional resilience, social understanding, and language abilities. Independence is a gift we give our children, not by doing everything for them, but by giving them the space to grow. Thanks for being here, and let's move on to our final chapter.